You reading? Alright, you reading a book? What's wrong? Alright, let's turn the page. Oh, this page is boring. Oh, this is a good page. Alright, what's this? What is it? Dora? Well, Dora's on the TV. Yeah, what's this? What's this? Couch? Chair? It works. What's this? Good. What's this? No, of course. What are these? What are they? Boots? Oh, it's a good one. What's this?
Cat.
Kitty cat. What's this?
Bird.
Bird. What's this? What is that?
A frog.
It's not frog, it's a rabbit, but they both hop. What's this?
Puppy.
Puppy. What's this?
Fish.
Fish. Good job. What's this? A toy mo.
A duck.
What's this?
Duck.
Sheep?
Sheep.
What's a sheep say?
Bah.
Bah. What's this? What is this?
Sheep.
Cow?
Cow.
What's a cow say?
Moo.
Good job. Let's go back to the beginning. What's this?
Fufa.
Fufa? Flower.
A fish. Fish.
Fish.
No.
No? Oh, I'm sorry. Are we staying on that page? What are these?
Boots.
Shoes. Shoes. What's this?
This is ball.
Ball. What's this?
A ball.
A ball. Good job. What's this?
Duck.
Duck. Good
A
job.
goggle.
And what color is this?
Pink.
Purple?
Purple.
Purple.
A red.
It's yellow.
A big.
Red.
But
Red. What's this?
purple.
Is it a train?
No.
What's a train say?
Shoo-shoo.
Let's see. Here we go. Let's turn one more page. What's this?
Apple.
What's this?
Fish.
Orange?
Orange.
What's this?
Banana.
Banana. What's this?
Apple.
Cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese. What's this?
Bush.
Cup?
Cup.
Cup. What's this?
Spoon.
What is this?
Foot.
And what's this?
Spoon.
Spoon. Good job. And turn the page.
Yeah.
What's this?
No.
No?
A cat. Shoes.
What are these?
Huh.
Pen?
Banana.
Mostly. Riley, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye.